Hi guys, let's see how to insert serial number automatically in Google Sheets. So let's say these are the rows and let's say these are 20 rows and we want to insert serial numbers automatically in it. So what you can do, you can just double click on the first cell from where the serial number starts, type equals to and then type SE sequence, click on it, and what you have to do, you have to write the number of rows up to which the serial number will go. Here there are 20 rows. You can write according to your condition and close the bracket. Hit enter and that's it. The serial number has been entered. Now let's say you want to put these serial numbers in certain kind of format. Then what you can do, just right click on it, click on insert one column right. Now here we will do the magic. Double click on it, put equals to and type text. Now the number will be the first cell value. Now let's say we want to put it in a certain kind of format. We have to encapsulate in double quotes. Okay, so this will be the format and close it, hit enter. And that's it. It will be in 001, 002. Okay, just like that. Now let's say we want to insert a custom number in front of it. So what we will do, we'll inside the double quotes write the custom number, whatever you want to insert, and after the double quotes we will type and operator adds these two strings, the first string and the second auto-generated string. It will add both these strings, and now just drag it to the end and you can see this serial number with a custom text has been generated. Thanks for watching. Please do like.